Fully automatic knife sharpener, ball milling cutter grinding tutorial. Connecting to the power supply. Turn on the power switch. Click to enter the processing interface. Click on the tool type. Select ball milling cutter. Add the corresponding number of milling cutter edges and cutter diameter size. After selecting, click Confirm. Open the machine sliding door. Turn on the LED work light. Select the corresponding size CR collet. Remove the chuck overload. Put the ER collet into the collet cover and install it on the center shaft. Insert the ball milling cutter that needs to be sharpened. Locking tool. Click the Start button at the bottom of the screen. The machine will automatically complete the tool grinding according to the program settings. If the tool is worn for a long time, it can be sharpened after wire cutting. First switch the conventional tool in the upper left corner of the screen to a wire cutting tool. Then select the number of tool edges and the size of the blade diameter for grinding. Loosen the chuck cover and remove the ball milling cutter. Ball milling cutter grinding completed. Effect display.